Well, welcome to Luscombe Suzuki Leeds, where I'm very proud to be able to present to you this beautiful one owner, full service history Ford KA Zetec. This is the 5-door, which has plenty of room for 5 occupants. It's got alloy wheels. The car is absolutely lovely. Like all our cars, it will come fully serviced and have 12 months MOT before being picked up by its new owner. At the back here, you can see it's got the reversing park assist to make it easier so you don't scratch that rear bumper. When lifting the boot inside, you have a decent sized boot, and underneath, yes, there is a spare wheel and not a tyre inflation kit. You can tell the car's been looked after. The bodywork and the entire engine, absolutely lovely, as you'll be able to see on our mechanics video. So let me show you indoors. As we open the door, which is, we have 2 keys, remote central locking. We come to the multifunction steering wheel, where on the right hand side you have cruise control with a limiter, and on the left you have the controls for the voice activated Bluetooth. As we go into the centre, we have a radio CD, air conditioning, a USB port so you can sync your phone and stream your music. So it's got all the mod cons. Really nice car. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Come down, have a look, have a test drive, and tell us what you think of the car. Thank you. Bye bye.